Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor. If you are joining for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. On today's video, I'm going to be making temporary locks on my hair. It looks like, let me lose the scarf so you can see it very well. This is my full afro hair. And please, before we go into the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, also click on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell notification so you never miss a video when I post. Making this hairstyle, you're going to need your detangling brush, your spray bottle, your leave-in conditioner, your cotton comb, and your hair packers. So I'm going to start by parting my hair into two sections with this comb. Now that I've put it into two sections, I'm going to pack this one up first of all. I'm going to be using this to pack it. This is a lot of hair. Now, I'm also going to part this section into two again. Let's go. So now I'm going to start by cutting this part. I'm not going to make this thing small because it's temporary locks. I'm going to show you how it looks like. This is what our first part looks like. You're cutting it as if you're cutting your box braid. This is how it looks like. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to spray water, a little bit water on it. Because I want to comb it to make sure it's very well detangled before making it. So I'm just going to open up my leave-in conditioner. So today I'll be using the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-in Condition Repair Cream. You can see. This is how it looks like inside. And first of all, I'm going to take my water. I'm just going to gently spray my water on my hair. Just a little bit like that. And then I'm going to use my hand to distribute it evenly on my hair. Just like that. After doing that, I'm going to take my leave-in conditioner, a little bit, and just add it on the hair. Then I'm going to take my detangling brush and brush from the tip of my hair to the root of my hair. We brush from the tip of our hair to the root of our hair so that our hair doesn't cut when detangling it. Now this is how I do it. After doing that, now watch what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to start like this. Now it has been a long time I did this hairstyle. After doing this is what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to release my hand. Can you see? I have 3 strands. Now I'm going to go like this. I'm going to start weaving it from the down part so that I can have space. Down part so that I can have space. The down part so that I can have space. The down part so that I can have space. Can you see it? So it's like it's only the roots that is a little bit tight, but once you start doing it, you make it loose and free. Like this, and poof. It's like, can you see it? This is how the first one looks like. Now I'm going to move to the second one again. I'm going to take my comb, pat it like this. So we're going to do the same process. We're going to spray water onto the hair. Now I'm going to use my hand to massage the water in to make sure that it touches my hair very well. I will do that. Then I'll take my leave-in conditioner and apply it to the hair. Rub it very well on my hair. Then after doing that, I'm going to take my detangling brush and detangle my hair and make sure that my hair is tangle free. You do not want to do your hair while it's tangled, so you have to make sure you detangle it very well. Now I'm going to part this into two parts. Then I'll put one part away. Make sure I pat it very well. Put one part away. Then focus on the part at the front. And I'm going to take my tangling brush and still brush it to make sure that it is tangle free before going on to start plaiting it. hold this one at the back so it will not disturb us. Now what do we do again? Step 1, take your water, spray on your dry hair. Not too much water, just small. Rule number 2, let the water go what? Evenly. Let it touch all the hair. Can you see where I'm doing my own? Can you see where I'm doing my own? Good. Now, please, as you're watching this video, if you like this video, don't forget to like. Oh. Please, give it a big thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button. Please, click on that subscribe button. And hey, that your bell notification. Press am so that when I'm posting, you will not miss. You understand? Now, I'm going to rub it. I love this cantu. I love cantu. Man, water should be, as a natural girl, water should be your best friend. Water should be your best friend because the way water will detangle your hair for you. Sometimes you don't even need all these things. Water alone. I'm going to share this into. We'll take our comb, our cotton comb. Doing the rest off camera. So this is how my temporary locks turned out. You can see it's a very beautiful hairstyle and something that you should try. Very, very beautiful. Please, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button and also click on that bell notification so you never miss a video whenever I post it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye.